Want freedom? Control your time? Dropshipping? It's the future of entrepreneurship. Low risk, high reward. You sell products, suppliers handle the rest. No inventory, no headaches. In 2025, it's bigger than ever. Why? Because everyone's online. Your customers waiting for you, eager to buy. This is your chance to build something real, something yours. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. Be your own boss. Set your own hours. Travel the world. Dropshipping makes it possible. But you gotta hustle. You gotta be hungry. Ready to put in the work? Let's do this. No brainer. Shopify is the GOAT. The Michael Jordan of e-commerce platforms. Why? Because it's built for dropshipping. Easy to use even if you're clueless about tech. Think of it as your online store builder. Drag, drop, done. No coding, no headaches. Plus tons of apps to automate your business. Makes life easier, right? Shopify also integrates with all the major dropshipping suppliers. One-click product imports. Order fulfillment on autopilot. You focus on what matters, marketing and making money. So yeah, Shopify, it's a no-brainer. First things first, sign up for Shopify. They offer a free trial, plenty of time to get your hands dirty. Choose a theme that pops, something clean, professional. First impressions matter. Next, pick a domain name. Your store's address on the internet. Make it catchy, memorable, something related to your niche. Got it? Good. Now connect your store to a payment gateway. Shopify Payments is built in. Easy peasy. You'll also need a dropshipping app. Oberlo, Spocket, you name it. These apps connect you with suppliers. Last step, customize your store. Add your logo, brand colors, and product descriptions that sell. Make it shine, make it yours. Here's the secret sauce, selling the right products, not just any product, products people are craving, products that solve problems, products that make life better. How to find them? Research. Look for trending products on social media. Check out competitor stores. Use Google Trends. See what's hot. Focus on a niche. Don't be everything to everyone. Specialize. Become the go-to store for a specific audience. Passionate about fitness, sell fitness gear, love tech gadgets. You get the idea. Remember, quality over quantity. Don't just pick any cheap product. Choose products with high demand, good reviews, and decent profit margins. Section 5, Suppliers, your dropshipping allies. Suppliers are your backbone. They handle inventory, packaging, and shipping. Choose wisely. Look for reliable suppliers with fast shipping times and quality products. Do your due diligence. Check reviews, compare prices, and order samples. You need to be sure they can deliver. No excuses. Communication is key. Talk to your suppliers. Build relationships. Negotiate better prices and faster shipping. It's all about leverage. Remember, your supplier's success is your success. Choose them wisely. Treat them well. Section 6, Marketing Magic. Get eyes on your products. You've got a killer store, amazing products. Now get people to see it. That's where marketing comes in. And trust me, it's a game changer. Social media is your best friend. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Create engaging content. Run targeted ads. Reach your ideal customers where they hang out. Influencer marketing is huge. Partner with influencers in your niche. Have them promote your products. Tap into their audience. It's like word of mouth on steroids. Don't forget about email marketing. Build your email list. Offer discounts and exclusive deals. Keep your customers coming back for more. Section 7, Show me the money, real success stories. Don't believe it's possible? Think again. People are crushing it with dropshipping every single day. They're building empires from their laptops. Take insert name of a successful dropshipping store, for example. They started from scratch. Now they're making insert monthly revenue selling insert product niche. Or how about insert name of another successful dropshipping store? They turned their passion for insert passion niche into a thriving business. Proof that anything is possible. These success stories are everywhere. They're an inspiration, a reminder that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Section 8, Overcoming Obstacles. You got this. Listen, it's not always going to be sunshine and rainbows. You'll face challenges. Competition, shipping delays, customer service issues. It's part of the game. The key is to stay focused. Don't get discouraged. Learn from your mistakes. Adapt and overcome. That's what separates the winners from the wannabes. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced adversity. They've stumbled, they've fallen, but they've always gotten back up, stronger and more determined than ever before. You're no different. You have what it takes. Believe in yourself. Push through the tough times. The rewards are worth it. Section 9. Fire up that hustle. Your time is now. The dropshipping world is your oyster. Full of opportunities, but you gotta be willing to grab them. No more excuses, no more procrastination. Take action. Today. Start building your store. Find your winning products. Market like crazy. The only thing standing between you and success is you. This is your chance to create the life you've always dreamed of. Financial freedom, location independence, the power to call your own shots. So, what are you waiting for? The time is now. Go out there and make it happen. I believe in you. Gap 3S, Section 10, Mastering the Game, Advanced Marketing Strategies. Now that you've got your store up and running, it's time to supercharge your sales with cutting-edge marketing techniques. Ready to take your game to the next level? First, let's talk about retargeting. Ever noticed how ads seem to follow you around the internet after you visit a website? That's retargeting in action. Use tools like Facebook Pixel to track visitors and bring them back to your store with irresistible offers. Next up, influencer marketing. Partner with influencers who resonate with your brand. Their followers trust their recommendations, making it a powerful way to boost your credibility and reach a wider audience. Don't forget about email marketing. Build a list of subscribers and keep them engaged with regular updates, exclusive discounts, and valuable content. Tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo can help automate this process. Leverage the power of social proof. Showcase customer reviews and user-generated content on your site. Seeing others enjoy your products creates a trust factor that's hard to beat. Lastly, dive into the world of content marketing. Create valuable blog posts, videos, and social media content that speaks directly to your audience's pain points and interests. This not only drives traffic but also establishes you as an authority in your niche. Remember, the key to advanced marketing is to keep testing and optimizing. What works today might not work tomorrow, so stay agile and keep experimenting. You've got the basics down, now it's time to become a marketing maestro. The sky's the limit when you master these advanced strategies. Keep pushing, keep hustling, and watch your business soar to new heights. Gap 3S, Section 11, Keep them coming back, Customer Retention Techniques. Congratulations, you've made your first sales and attracted a loyal customer base. But the journey doesn't stop here. It's time to focus on keeping your customers coming back for more. Let's dive into some proven customer retention techniques. First, provide exceptional customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, handle complaints with care, and always go the extra mile to ensure satisfaction. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your store to others. Next, implement a loyalty program. Reward your customers for their repeat business with points they can redeem for discounts, free products, or exclusive offers. This not only incentivizes them to come back but also fosters a sense of community and belonging. Personalization is key. Use data to tailor your marketing messages, product recommendations, and offers to each customer's preferences and behavior. Tools like Shopify's built-in customer segmentation can help you achieve this effortlessly. Don't underestimate the power of follow-up. Send thank you emails after purchases, request feedback, and keep your customers informed about new products, upcoming sales, and special events. Consistent communication keeps your brand top of mind. Finally, create a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile-optimized, and fast-loading. Simplify the checkout process and offer multiple payment options. A smooth experience reduces friction and encourages repeat business. Remember, acquiring a new customer can cost 5 times more than retaining an existing one. By focusing on customer retention, you're not only increasing your revenue but also building a loyal fan base that will support your business for years to come. Keep these techniques in your arsenal and watch your customer relationships flourish. You're not just running a store, you're creating an experience that keeps people coming back. Let's make it happen. Gap 3S, Section 12, Scaling your dropshipping business. You've laid the groundwork, built a loyal customer base, and now it's time to take your dropshipping business to the next level. Scaling your business doesn't just mean increasing sales, it means expanding your reach, optimizing your operations, and maximizing your profits. Let's explore some key strategies to scale effectively. First, diversify your product range. Adding new products to your store can attract a wider audience and increase your average order value. Use market research and customer feedback to identify trending products that complement your existing offerings. Remember, variety can drive sales and keep your store fresh and exciting. Next, leverage automation tools. Automating tasks like order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer support can save you time and reduce errors. Tools like Oberlo and Zapier integrate seamlessly with Shopify, allowing you to focus on growth rather than daily operations. Automation is your secret weapon for scaling efficiently. Invest in advanced marketing strategies. Experiment with different advertising platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and influencer marketing to reach new customers. Utilize retargeting campaigns to re-engage visitors who didn't make a purchase on their first visit. Diversifying your marketing efforts can significantly boost your visibility and sales. Optimize your supply chain. Establish strong relationships with reliable suppliers who can handle increased demand and offer competitive prices. Consider working with multiple suppliers to mitigate risks and ensure a steady supply of products. A robust supply chain is crucial for sustaining growth and meeting customer expectations. Expand your market reach. Think beyond your current geographic boundaries and explore opportunities in international markets. Shopify's multi-currency and multi-language features make it easier to cater to a global audience. Research shipping options and local regulations to ensure a smooth expansion process. Finally, analyze and adapt. Use analytics tools to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. Monitor key metrics like conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and lifetime value. Regularly review your strategies and be willing to pivot based on data-driven insights. Scaling is an ongoing process that requires continuous optimization. By implementing these strategies, you're not just growing your business, you're building a scalable, sustainable enterprise. Remember, the sky's the limit. With determination, innovation, and the right tools, you can turn your dropshipping store into a thriving success. Let's scale up and reach new heights together. Gap 3S, Section 13, Handling Customer Service. Congratulations on scaling your dropshipping business. Now let's talk about an often overlooked but crucial aspect of your success: customer service. Excellent customer service can set you apart from competitors and build lasting loyalty among your customers. First, let's discuss the importance of timely responses. In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, customers expect quick answers to their questions and concerns. Aim to respond to inquiries within 24 hours, if not sooner. Use automated email responses to acknowledge receipt of their message and let them know you'll get back to them soon. This simple step can make customers feel valued and heard. Next, personalize your interactions. Address customers by their names and reference their specific issues or orders. Personalization shows that you care about their individual experience and are willing to go the extra mile to resolve their concerns. Remember, a personal touch can turn a frustrated customer into a loyal advocate for your brand. Now let's talk about handling returns and refunds. A clear and fair return policy is essential for building trust. Make sure your return policy is easily accessible on your website and communicated clearly during the purchase process. When handling returns, process them promptly and keep the customer informed throughout the process. Transparency and efficiency can turn a potentially negative experience into a positive one. Utilize customer service tools. Platforms like Zendesk, Freshdesk, and Shopify's own customer service apps can streamline your support process. These tools offer features like ticket management, chat support, and customer history tracking, making it easier to provide consistent and efficient service. Investing in the right tools can significantly enhance your customer service capabilities. Train your team. If you have a customer service team, ensure they are well trained and equipped to handle various scenarios. Regular training sessions can help them stay updated on your products, policies, and best practices for customer interactions. A knowledgeable and empathetic team can make all the difference in delivering exceptional service. Finally, gather and act on feedback. Encourage customers to leave reviews and provide feedback on their experience. Use this valuable information to identify areas for improvement and make necessary changes. Showing customers that you listen and act on their feedback can strengthen their trust and loyalty. Gap 2S. Handling customer service effectively isn't just about solving problems, it's about creating positive experiences that keep customers coming back. By prioritizing timely responses, personalization, clear return policies, the right tools, team training, and acting on feedback, you can build a reputation for outstanding customer service. Remember, happy customers are the backbone of a successful dropshipping business. Let's make customer service your secret weapon for long-term success. Gap 3S, Section 14, Analyzing your store's performance. Congratulations on mastering customer service. Now, let's dive into another critical aspect of running a successful dropshipping business: analyzing your store's performance. Understanding your store's performance is key to making informed decisions that can drive growth and profitability. Start by regularly reviewing your store's analytics. Shopify provides a wealth of data, including traffic sources, visitor behavior, and sales metrics. Pay close attention to metrics like conversion rate, average order value, and customer lifetime value. These numbers can give you valuable insights into how well your store is performing and where there might be room for improvement. Next, evaluate your product performance. Identify which products are your best sellers and which ones are underperforming. This information can help you make strategic decisions about inventory, marketing, and product development. Consider removing or optimizing underperforming products and focusing your efforts on promoting your top sellers. Don't forget to analyze your marketing efforts. Use tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and email marketing platforms to track the effectiveness of your campaigns. Look at metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. Understanding which marketing channels are driving the most traffic and sales can help you allocate your budget more effectively. Customer feedback is another valuable source of information. Monitor reviews and social media comments to identify common themes and areas for improvement. Positive feedback can highlight what's working well, while constructive criticism can point out areas that need attention. Use this feedback to make data-driven decisions that enhance the customer experience. Consider setting up regular performance reviews. Whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly, having a consistent schedule for analyzing your store's performance can help you stay on top of trends and make proactive adjustments. During these reviews, set specific goals and track your progress over time. This practice can keep you focused and motivated to continuously improve your business. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. A/B testing different elements of your store, such as product descriptions, pricing, and website layout, can provide valuable insights into what resonates best with your audience. Use the data from these experiments to optimize your store for better performance. Gap 2S. Analyzing your store's performance is an ongoing process that requires attention and adaptability. By regularly reviewing your analytics, evaluating product and marketing performance, gathering customer feedback, and conducting performance reviews, you can make informed decisions that drive growth and success. Remember, data-driven decision-making is the foundation of a thriving dropshipping business. Let's use these insights to take your store